Gang, 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 gang. Look who I'm fucking again.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, y'all. I know it's been like a minute since I did a YouTube video. I'm so sorry, y'all. Like, it's just been a lot has been going on. Today I just did this slick back ponytail, my natural hair. I haven't rocked my natural hair. It's been a minute since I rocked my hair in the actual ponytail. Normally just like throw on wigs and stuff. Yeah, I just thought this was really cute. Guys, if you guys are interested, just keep on watching. And if you guys haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the little bell notification button so you be notified every single time that I upload, because YouTube don't be notifying y'all when I upload for some reason. I don't know why. But yeah, y'all, and if y'all like this video, don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Peace. Alright, you guys, so I'm just going to show you the products that we're going to be using. Eco Styler Gel, of course, got to be glue, toothbrush, and a hairbrush. Here's my hair. It is freshly co-washed with just conditioner. And now I'm just going to go ahead and make my part, which I normally wear my part on the left side. And now I'm just going to make like a U part in the top of my head. This is the part where I'm going to be swooping. And then I'm just going to make that into a big plait just to separate this part from the rest of the hair so it can be out of my way. And I'm going to go ahead and spray down my hair. This water bottle has conditioner in it as well, just to soften and detangle the hair. Now I'm going to take this brush and I'm going to smooth out any bumps and lumps in the top of the hair. And I'm just going to go ahead and part the back of my hair. And I'm going to apply some Eco Styler Gel in a downward motion. Making sure it's really, really smooth. And now I'm just going to brush that part of the hair in a downward motion as well. This is going to really make your ponytail really, really sleek by doing this method. I'm basically doing the same thing all the way up to the top of the head. Smooth out any lumps and bumps. Apply the Eco Styler Gel, and then you smooth again. Alright guys, so I'm just going to let you watch the rest of the video until we get to the top of the head, because the rest, you know, is basically self-explanatory. Alright guys, so we finally at the top of the head using the same method. Just making sure that the hair is smooth with no lumps. I think I went over the top of my head probably like 50 times with that brush. But hey, you gotta make sure it's like really, really, really sleek. I have no idea what that white thing in my hair is. Alright, so I'm taking some more Eco Styler Gel just to smooth it down a little bit more. Now I'm taking this scrunchie. It's like a really big, I don't know if this is scrunchie. I'm taking this hair tie. It's like one of those really big hair ties, and I double tied that. And I went ahead and made the ponytail. And right here, I'm just making my ponytail a little bit tighter, and I'm fluffing it out as well. I took more Eco Styler Gel, of course, and I'm smoothing again. And now I'm going to start on the bang part. Okay, so with my soup, you guys, I did not use any more Eco Styler gel. I detangled and I just used the Got To Be glue. Oh, I did use the Eco Styler gel. I thought I did it. My bad. So I guess I did use the Eco Styler gel on the bang part. And I'm just swooping and swooping and swooping. I really don't know how to explain this part. Just swoop, child. Just swoop. Alright, now so I'm going to take my Got To Be glue and I'm going to apply that to the bang part. Just the bang part though. And you're going to smooth that out until you don't see any more white stuff. And I took another scrunchie. Why I keep saying scrunchie? I took another hair tie and I tied that around the base of the ponytail as well. Alright, so I took my two brush just to smooth things out a little bit more. And now I'm just going to create a little bit of baby hairs. You know I cannot do a natural hairstyle without doing my baby hairs. And I'm doing, I'm putting some of that Got To Be glue on my baby hairs as well. And now I'm just going to do some sideburns. And I'm just going to tie my hair down. I think I tied it down for about 15 minutes. You know, you can do whatever you want to do. But this is basically how the ponytail turned out, you guys. I loved it. And so then the next day, I just ended up, what is it called? I just end up defining my curls in the ponytail. So I sprayed some water and conditioner on it, and now I'm just running some Eco Styler gel through the ponytail, like so. It was super easy, super quick. And then this is how it turned out to look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank y'all all so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.